Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Assistant Professor Sushma Chaudhary from Shri Mudhai Devi Shikshan Sanstha's Professor Sambhajirao Kadam College, Deur. This lecture is about Zoology, Paper First, Animal Diversity, and this lecture is for the BSc First students. In Zoology, Paper First, Animal Diversity, we discuss about phylum Platyhelminthes. Firstly, we know that what is Platyhelminthes. The name of the phylum is derived from two Greek words, namely platy means flat and helminthes means worm-like body. In this topic, we discuss about general characters and classification of phylum Platyhelminthes. So, we study about general characters of Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes are commonly known as flatworms or tapeworms. The body is soft and dorso-ventrally flattened. Some are free-living while some are endoparasitic. These animals show bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry means if we cut the animal into two pieces, both pieces are equal. Both pieces are equal to each other. That is bilateral symmetry. They are triploblastic, that is made up of three germ layers: endoderm, mesoderm, and ectoderm. They are acoelomate, that is true coelom or cavity is absent. The space in between the various organs are filled up by a tissue which is known as parenchyma. These animals have presence of cuticle, or the body surface is covered by cuticle. Ingestion is through mouth or general body surface. These animals are mostly bisexual and the fertilization is internal. Bisexual means hermaphrodite, that is male reproductive organs and female reproductive organs are present in a single animals. Majority of flatworm are white, colorless. Some derive color from the indigested food, while the free living forms are brown, grey, black, or brilliantly colored. Digestive system is totally absent. These animals are fed on the pre-digested food, so the digestive system is completely absent. Respiratory and circulatory systems are also absent. The nervous system is primitive and ladder-like. That is, it consists of pair of cerebral ganglia or brain and three pairs of longitudinal nerve cord connected to each other by transverse commissures. So, it is called as ladder type of nervous system. The phylum Platyhelminthes is divided or classified into three classes, that is class Turbellaria, class Trematoda, and class Cystoda. First class Turbellaria. These are mostly free-living flatworms. The body is covered by partly ciliated epidermis. Mouth is generally ventral and the pharynx is protrusible. That is, mouth is present at the lower side. These are mostly bisexual or hermaphrodite. The reproduction is by sexual or asexual method. The asexual method of reproduction is by regeneration. For examples, planaria, convoluta, and bipalium. Next class is class Trematoda. These animals are endoparasite or ectoparasite. The body is without epidermis and it is covered by a cuticle. The alimentary canal include mouth, pharynx and bifurcated intestine. These are mostly bisexual. For example, fasciola hepatica, that is sheep liver fluke, and polystoma. Next class is class Cystoda. The well-known example of this class is tapeworms. These are endoparasites which live in the intestine of vertebrates. These are commonly called as tapeworms. The body is long, flat, tape-like or ribbon-like and segmented. The body is without epidermis and covered by a cuticle. The mouth and alimentary canal are completely absent. Each segment of body consists of one set of male reproductive system and one set of female reproductive system. The anterior end of the body is provided with adhesive structures like hooks and suckers for the attachment in the vertebrate's intestine. For example, Tinea solium or tapeworm and Amphilina. In next lecture, we discuss about life history of Tinea solium or its parasitic adaptations. Thank you for the watching.